I don't know who was the person that decided to say, follow your heart. The perfect recipe to be a loser is to let your feelings dictate your actions. Oh, I don't feel like doing it. I'm following my heart. I don't feel like doing it. No one cares if you feel like doing it. It needs to get done. If you want to have progress, you need to do it independently of how you feel about it. So I want to get in shape, but I don't feel like going to the gym. I don't feel like exercising. Well, I'm sorry, you are not going to get in shape. Oh, I want to learn about this topic, but I don't feel like studying. Oh, I want to be successful in this exam, but I don't feel like studying. I'm so tired. If you're letting your feelings to dictate your actions, you will most likely not reach your goal. You need to take control over your life. You need to have this commitment to whatever you decided that you want to do. So if you want to get in shape, your commitment is to go to the gym or to exercise for 30 minutes a day. And you do that independently of how you feel about it. You just get it done. And when you start doing these daily actions, you build this self-confidence. You know you can trust yourself because whatever you decided that you're going to do, you do it. And one very, very important detail is that you don't track your progress based on results. You track your progress based on your actions, in your daily actions. And when you do that, you see that every single day you're getting better at it and better at it. And that helps you to keep going. You need to start somewhere. And after you start, you develop this momentum that will keep you going. But you need to start. And if you keep having excuses, oh, I don't feel like it. Stop with this, I don't feel like it. Today is the youngest you will ever be in this lifetime. Today. Tomorrow, you'll be older than you are today. There is no way out of it. So independently of how you feel, you need to start if you want to get somewhere. Track your daily actions. Do not track your results. You cannot control the results, but you can control your daily actions. So focus on the right thing, not on the result, and you will see progress happening. Even if you do something very little each day, the next day you will be better, a little better, and a little better, and a little better. And at the end of the year, you'll be way better. So it doesn't matter how much you do. Even if you are deciding like, oh, today there is not really enough time for me to exercise 30 minutes, but I know I can do 3 minutes. Do these 3 minutes. Make sure you get that done because you know you tried all you could and you just didn't depend on your feelings. Oh, I was too tired. I am too tired. You are too tired, depending on the day, depending on what happens. Some days are very eventful and it's okay, but we cannot let our feelings control our actions unless you want to be a loser. And I'm pretty sure that's not the goal you have set for yourself, right? So make sure you have this commitment to whatever you decided that you want and you get it done every day and track your actions, not the results. Have a great day. Bye.